Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, the top 5 best ultra-short throw projectors in 2024. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just looking to upgrade your home theater setup, these projectors are sure to impress. So, let's dive right in.
Number 1. The Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 is a game-changer in the world of ultra-short throw projectors for 2024. This projector offers an outstanding home theater experience with its advanced 4K Pro UHD technology, delivering sharp and vibrant images that make movies, sports, and games come to life. Its high brightness of 4,000 lumens ensures crystal-clear picture quality, even in well-lit rooms, while the impressive contrast ratio provides deep blacks and bright whites for a truly immersive viewing experience. One of the standout features of the LS800 is its ultra-short throw capability, which allows it to project a massive 150-inch image from just a few inches away from the wall. This makes it ideal for smaller spaces where a traditional projector setup might not be feasible. Additionally, the built-in Android TV functionality provides seamless access to popular streaming services, so you can enjoy your favorite content without needing an external device. The Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 also boasts integrated Yamaha sound with a custom-designed 2.1 speaker system, delivering rich, room-filling audio that complements its stunning visuals. Its sleek, modern design fits effortlessly into any home decor, making it a perfect addition to any living room or dedicated home theater space. For anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment system in 2024, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 is a top choice.
Number 2. The Hisense L9G Trichroma Laser TV redefines home entertainment with cutting-edge technology and stunning visual performance. Featuring a unique trichroma laser engine, the L9G produces vivid and true-to-life colors, achieving 107% of the BT Point 2020 color space, far surpassing traditional LED displays. This laser TV offers a 4K UHD resolution and supports HDR10 and HLG, ensuring sharp, detailed images with exceptional contrast and brightness. The L9G comes with an ultra-short throw design, allowing it to project a massive 100 or 120-inch screen from just inches away. This makes it ideal for various room sizes and setups, providing a cinematic experience without needing a large space. Its built-in 40W Dolby Atmos sound system delivers immersive audio, complementing the stunning visuals. Smart features include a user-friendly Android TV platform, offering seamless access to popular streaming services, apps, and voice control through Google Assistant. Connectivity options are abundant, with multiple HDMI ports, USB inputs, and wireless capabilities. With its sleek design, superior image quality, and advanced features, the Hisense L9G is a top choice for those seeking an extraordinary home theater experience. It combines innovation and convenience, making it a standout in the world of laser TVs. Number 3. The Samsung Premier LSP9T elevates home entertainment with its state-of-the-art technology and breathtaking visual clarity. This ultra-short throw 4K UHD projector utilizes triple laser technology, delivering a remarkable 2,800 lumens of brightness, ensuring vibrant and lifelike images even in well-lit rooms. The LSP9T covers 106% of the BT Point 2020 color space and supports HDR10+4 stunning contrast and color accuracy, bringing cinematic quality directly to your living room. Designed for flexibility, the LSP9T can project images from 100 to 130 inches, creating an expansive viewing experience from just inches away. Its sleek, modern design seamlessly integrates into any home decor, while the built-in 40W 4.2 channel sound system with acoustic beam technology provides immersive audio that enhances the overall viewing experience. Smart features include Samsung's Tizen platform, offering easy access to a wide range of streaming services, apps, and voice control via Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Multiple HDMI ports, USB inputs, and wireless connectivity options ensure versatile and convenient setup options. The Samsung Premier LSV9T is a premier choice for home theater enthusiasts, combining exceptional picture quality, powerful sound, and smart features. Its innovative design and superior performance make it a standout option for creating a true cinematic experience at home. Number 4. The LG HU915QE redefines home cinema with its advanced laser technology and exceptional image quality. As a 4K UHD ultra-short throw projector, it produces breathtakingly sharp and detailed visuals with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. The HU915QE's powerful laser light source delivers an impressive 3,700 lumens of brightness, ensuring vibrant, clear images even in bright environments. This projector excels in color accuracy, covering 97% of the DCI-P3 color space and supporting HDR10 and HLG for stunning contrast and dynamic range. It can project a screen size ranging from 90 to 120 inches from just a few inches away, making it perfect for diverse room sizes and setups. The HU915QE integrates LG's WebOS platform, providing seamless access to popular streaming services, apps, and smart features like voice control with Google Assistant and Alexa. Its built-in 40W speakers offer rich, immersive sound, eliminating the need for external audio systems for an all-in-one entertainment solution. Connectivity options are abundant, with multiple HDMI and USB ports, as well as wireless capabilities, ensuring versatile setup and integration with other devices. The sleek, minimalist design of the HU915QE blends effortlessly into any home decor. For those seeking a premium home theater experience, the LG HU915QE stands out with its superior performance, advanced features, and elegant design, making it a top choice for home entertainment enthusiasts. Number 5. The Hisense PX2-Pro is a game-changer in home entertainment, offering a blend of advanced technology and superb visual performance. This ultra-short throw 4K UHD laser projector leverages the power of trichroma laser technology, delivering stunningly vibrant and accurate colors. With a brightness of 2,400 lumens, the PX2-Pro ensures clear, sharp images even in well-lit rooms, making it ideal for a variety of viewing environments. The projector supports HDR10 and HLG, providing exceptional contrast and depth in every scene. Its ability to project images ranging from 90 to 130 inches from just a few inches away makes it versatile for different room sizes and configurations, transforming any space into a personal cinema. Smart features are plentiful with the PX2-Pro, including the Android TV platform for easy access to a wide range of streaming services and apps. Voice control is seamless through Google Assistant, adding convenience to the user experience. The projector also comes equipped with a built-in 30W Dolby Atmos sound system, delivering immersive audio that complements its stunning visuals. Connectivity options are extensive, with multiple HDMI and USB ports, as well as wireless capabilities for versatile and hassle-free setup. The Hisense PX2-Pro combines cutting-edge technology, vibrant visuals, and smart functionality, making it an excellent choice for home theater enthusiasts seeking a premium viewing experience.